The whole notion of improved camping, as what I call it, is basically something that I've only learned within the last few years. And as you can see, there are several advantages to camping in a campground. And this turns out to be particularly useful if you want to do a camping vacation. These campgrounds make it quite a bit easier, actually, to go camping. And in terms of a camping vacation, it's kind of the only choice you might have. And that's because it might be the only place you know where it's okay to camp. Otherwise, you could get into problems with private property and such. But you see how these things work is they usually have some sort of a pay envelope and a place to put it when you're done filling it out and putting your money in it. So improved camping makes it easy to find legal places to camp on your camping vacation. Get there early and you won't have trouble finding a spot.